Exploring the phrase, in a bind. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, in a bind. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. So let's get started. In a bind is an idiomatic expression which means to be in a difficult or problematic situation. When someone says they are in a bind, they're indicating that they're facing challenges or obstacles they find hard to overcome. It's like being stuck between a rock and a hard place. Example 1. Sarah forgot to study for her exam, and now she's in a bind because the exam is tomorrow. Example 2. Our car broke down in the middle of nowhere, and we found ourselves in a bind without any way to get help. The phrase, in a bind, likely originates from the idea of being tightly bound or tied up, making it difficult to move or act freely. Think of a situation where someone's hands are tied. They would be restricted and limited in what they could do. Similarly, when you're in a bind in life, you feel restricted by the challenges you're facing. Let's look at a few more examples to ensure you can comfortably use this phrase in your daily conversations. 1. Due to unexpected expenses, John found himself in a bind at the end of the month. 2. I'm in a bind at work. I have 2 projects due on the same day. 3. If you ever find yourself in a bind, remember you can always ask for help. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like, in a bind, can significantly improve the natural flow of your English conversations. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of this particular phrase. Remember, every time you learn a new expression, you're one step closer to mastering the language. Happy learning!